going to take you through a very short crash course on open science hardware. It is free to use, retain, to study, or to distribute. So by making science hardware open, more people can access the tools that we use for science.
We are going to kind of start from the scratch so that everybody gets the concept.
So hello, I'm Chantal, a second-year agricultural biotechnology student in the Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in Ghana. I just finished a workshop on open science hardware and the OpenFlexure Microscope. I want to thank AfricaOSH, GOSH, and the Albert P. Sloan Foundation. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Annette Fatima Isaka Audu, a student of Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. I'm reading Farm D and I'm in my 4th year. I just finished a workshop on open science hardware and an OpenFlexure Microscope. I want to thank AfricaOSH, GOSH, and Albert P. Sloan Foundation.
Hi guys, my name is Ahas Amphibious and I'm a 4th year biomedical engineering student of the Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, KUST Ghana, and I just finished a workshop on the open science hardware and the OpenFlexure Microscope, and I want to thank AfricaOSH, GOSH, and the Albert P. Sloan Foundation. Thank you. Peace out.